Today on Check This Out, we're going to check out some patio products. First up, something called Patio Pal. It's right over here. And basically what it is a plastic template that makes laying down a brick pathway or a brick patio a whole lot easier. This is what we're talking about. You put it right down there like that, and you place the bricks inside it. And what it does is it lets you create a nice, neat, evenly spaced pattern. Once you finish the patio or the pathway, you add some sand to fill it in, and you're done. What's nice about it is it creates a permanent barrier underneath the bricks so that plants can't grow up between the bricks, and there's still holes underneath there so it still allows for drainage. Now once you've finished your patio or your pathway, you may want to edge it or just kind of fancy up your backyard, so why don't you check this out. This next product is called Let's Edge It, and it's basically a plastic brick edging system. The pieces easily snap together. Once you have them together, you can put them around a tree or a pathway or a flower bed, and it sticks in just like that. Pretty simple. And to give you a sense of what it looks like, take a look at this flower bed without the Let's Edge It system. And if you walk around this way and kind of fade back a little bit, you can see what it looks like right there. And it has a nice effect. Now the company that makes Let's Edge It have come out with a new product called Let's Light It. And in that case, the plastic bricks have a light built into it. Unfortunately, one of the downsides is you have to wire them up yourself, sort of like Christmas lights. Once you wire them all up, they plug into a transformer that's low voltage and has a timer on it, so lights can come on and off as you program it. And then this transformer hangs up somewhere around the yard. The finished product is pretty durable. I wouldn't recommend driving a car over it, but it can certainly handle a lawnmower and a weed whacker. The end result can really be appreciated only at night. As the sun goes down, those lights come on, and the effect is pretty neat looking. Now here's a little compare and contrast. Take a look at this walkway without edge lights. It's dark and uninviting. Now here it is with edge lights. And as opposed to traditional pathway lights which stick up above the ground, these lights have a low profile, unique, streamlined look that could be the talk of your neighborhood.